Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Part 2 of Unboxing Jack series. So this is next. I've got a few of them. So I'm going to unbox. Wonder what it's going to be. So these are the chances I could get. And I've already got the 0 and the mystery already. This feels like Oogie Boogie. It's Oogie Boogie. Wow, it's quite heavy. So that was part 2. I'll just flip the camera and I'll show you the 2. So that's the 4 so far. Wow, I'm really impressed with this quality. Stay tuned for part 3 because this is part 2. And thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.